Alright, in today's video, I'm going to show you 5 health benefits of soya milk you may not know, and step by step on how to make perfect homemade refreshing soya milk at home. Your homemade refreshing milk. So here are the 5 health benefits. First, improve heart health. Soya milk is rich in vitamins, minerals, and unpolyunsaturated fats, which promotes good heart condition. Soya milk improves the plasma lipid level in our system and reduces the risk of heart disease and control cholesterol levels. 2. Cure skin issues. Soya milk contains antioxidant compound known as isoflavone, which plays an important role in reducing the appearance of aging skin. Adding soya milk to your diet helps to cleanse all signs of dullness, wrinkles, creating smoother, more youthful looking appearance. Regular intake of soya milk reduces hyperpigmentation, a condition of darkening of the skin due to overexposure to sun and signs of aging. Better health growth. Soya milk, when combined with protein-rich diet like eggs, have a good impact on your hair. It stimulates stronger and longer hair growth and reduces damaged hair. Antidepressant. Soya milk contains vitamin B6, vitamin B complex, which help to reduce depression and improve your good mood. It is rich in magnesium, which releases the hormone known as serotonin in your body, which works as an antidepressant. Stronger bones. Soya milk is rich in calcium content, which promotes stronger bones and maintain their structure intact, hence reducing the risk of fracture. So let's dive into making this healthy drink together. Number 1 ingredient is soya beans. Soya milk is gotten from soya beans. So to make this healthy drink, bring a good bowl, fill it with water, and add the quantity of soya beans you want to make. Soak it for 8 hours, 10 hours. Do not soak it overnight if you want a fresher milk. But if you want to soak it overnight, make sure it is no more than 10 hours. So after soaking it for 8 to 10 hours, the beans swells up and fill the bowl. You notice the changes in their size. So the one on my left hand is the one that is not soaked, and the soaked one is on my right hand. It's swollen and it is big. So next step is to give it a proper wash. If you want a fresher milk, then you make sure you wash it properly. After washing it, I'm going to take it to local engine for grinding, for blending, for a smooth blending. Because it is plain, I don't want to blend it with the blender at home. So I'm taking it to local engine for blending. If you're making a smaller one, you could use blender at home. But I love using the local engine to give it a smooth drink. So after blending, this is what it looks like. So it is ready. So to sieve this, I need a bowl of water and a cup, and then I need a spoon to scoop the blended beans into my linen. So here is the pot I'm going to be using to sieve it inside. Then I have this fine cloth. It can be gotten from any tailor shop. So next thing, make sure you tight your clothes on the surface of the pot. Make sure it is tightly fitted on the pot, exactly what you are seeing on the screen right now. Tightly fit it on the pot, exactly what you are seeing on the screen. Then next thing is to start scooping your soya milk into the pot. Scoop and then add water bit by bit, step by step. You could use spoon, but if your spoon is not good enough for you, give your hand a proper wash and use your hand to sieve it into the pots. Or the next step, you could pour it inside the cloth and then use your hand to squeeze out the milk into the pot. So after that, gently and carefully take away the chaff, exactly what you are seeing on the screen right now. Squeeze out the milk properly because this milk is very healthy and we don't want anyone to be wasted. All right, this is what the milk is looking like. We're not done, don't go away. So the next step is to pour it inside a bigger pot, because if you use that small pot, it's going to overflow while boiling and the nutrients will go out. So I am taking it to another pot as you're seeing on the screen. Hello all my lovely subscribers, thanks for your support, thanks for always being there. And if this is your first time on this channel, you are highly welcome. Please genuinely connect to my channel, like, comment and share, and subscribe to my channel. More interesting videos are updated weekly, so do subscribe to my channel and do stay connected always. So while you put this milk on fire, don't go away, stay it 10 minutes, 20 minutes. We're going to allow this milk to cook for 45 minutes. You could allow it to cook for an hour depending on the heat you are using. So after cooking it for an hour, to know if it is properly cooked, you'll notice the cut forming on top, exactly what you see. So next, I'm going to sieve it a second round because I want a fresh milk. So if you want a fresh, refreshing milk, give it another sieve so that it will be very smooth. So I have this sieve, I'm using it to give it a second sieve to remove any leftover particles so that you have a smooth, refreshing drink. So if you look at the sieve, you notice some particles in there. So that is the reason why you should give it a second sieve after you properly cooked your milk. All right, so after cooking and after second sieve, this is our milk is ready. So you can bottle this and put it in the freezer to chill. Our milk, refreshing and healthy soya milk, is ready. This can be served with any food of your choice. So thanks everyone for watching, thanks for dropping by. Don't forget to subscribe for my channel if you've not done so, and don't forget to share. Stay connected always because more videos are uploaded. Thanks and see you in the next class.